Now we'll start with Kushi on the stage.
1 minute starts now. First word, auspicious.
AUSPICIOUS.
That's absolutely right. Second word, celluloid.
CELLULOID.
That's absolutely right. Third word, flummoxed.
Could you repeat it?
Flummoxed. Flummoxed means confounded or bewildered. I suggest you give me an answer soon, otherwise pass. Because you have only 15 seconds remaining. Pass. Fourth word, feudal.
FEUDAL.
That's absolutely right. Moving on to the fifth and final word. Sorry. Just 1 minute just got done. So you got 3 out of the 4 right in this round. That's a great job. Now, please give her a big round of applause.
Vaishnavi Vashishta from Oak Ridge International.
Okay, your 1 minute starts now. First word, despondently.
DISPONDENTLY.
Just one letter off, it's DES. Second word, equestrian.
EQUISTRIAN.
Again, just one letter off. Don't worry, take your time. Third word, ameliorate. Ameliorate.
Can I have the definition, please?
Ameliorate means to make something better.
AMILEORATE.
Incorrect. Fourth word, banquet.
BANQUET.
That's absolutely right. And fifth word, bugle.
BUGILE.
One extra letter there. It's just BUGLE. Okay. Thank you. Round of applause, please.
As the end of first round, we have Aditya Maslekar from category 1 and Shriya from Candor International category 2 with 5 points each. A big round of applause to these two. Then we have Aryaman Shah of Presidency with 4 points. Suhani from Candor with 3 points. And Asta and Vaishnavi of category 3 and 4 respectively have 1 point each. So we start with the second round, and second round the words will be a little tougher. In 1 minute you have to spell 3 words. Okay? And we start with Aryaman Shah of Presidency.
Okay, so in this round, you're going to get 3 words and you have 1 whole minute. Okay, so take your time, ask me to repeat any number of times and answer carefully. First word, bungalow.
Pardon?
Bungalow.
Bungalow.
Yeah.
BUNGALOW.
Superb answer. Second word, impartial.
Pardon?
Impartial.
Impartial. IMPARSIAL.
Very close. It's TIAL. Okay. Third word, skewer.
Pardon?
Skewer. It means a pin made of metal for fastening something to keep it while roasting or to hold vegetables while broiling. Skewer. That's what they normally use in barbecues.
SKEWER.
Amazing answer. Please give him a big round of applause. That's it.
Aditya Maslekar from St. Josephine.
Your time starts now. First word, infrequent.
INFREQUENT.
That's right. Second word, exhaustion.
EXHAUSTION.
That's correct. And third word, generator.
Pardon?
Generator.
Generater.
Oh, it's T-O-R. Okay, thank you.
Next we have Suhani from Candor International.
Your 1 minute starts now. First word, generosity.
Generosity.
That's right. Second word, constituent. Constituent means a person who lives and can vote in a constituency.
Constituent.
The U and I got switched over there. No problem. Moving on to your third word, paralytic. Paralytic means affected by paralysis.
Paralytic.
Superb answer. That's absolutely right.